Repairing your tiles is not a DIY thing. And it turned out to be very expensive if you want to replace them. So why replace when you can repair? Meet the Surface Masters. We are your tiles and grout specialists. For services like grout sealing, repairing your damaged tiles, regrouting your kitchen tiles, and repairing your leaky showers. All the work is done by the professionals, and we call them the masters. With over 5 years of experience in handling clients, our promise to you is that we will recreate the beauty of your home through the work we perform. Every work is handled with utmost care to deliver 100% work satisfaction. Every job is done with time and cost-efficient manner. So, what are you waiting for? Call us for your tiles and regrouting requirements today. Surface Masters, tiles, floors and beyond.